In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cash out crypto on Robinhood. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily go over the two-step process to sell your crypto and transfer the balance available in your Robinhood account to your bank account. So first, you will need to sell your crypto. To do this, open the latest version of the Robinhood app and navigate to the desired cryptocurrencies page. In there, you will be able to look through the graph, seeing the price, and if you scroll down, you will be able to find two main options, buy and sell. You will only be able to sell your desired cryptocurrency if you see the sell button available besides buy. If you don't see the sell button, maybe you only see the buy option, then that means that that specific crypto cannot be sold on Robinhood. But if you see the sell button, you will be able to initiate a sell order. So tap sell and now enter the amount of crypto that you want to sell or choose a dollar amount that you want to receive. So you can either include the amount of crypto or the amount of money or balance that you wish to receive, and the conversion will be done automatically. So once you enter the specific amount that you would like to receive, review the order and confirm the sale by swiping up. Once the crypto has sold on Robinhood, you will receive that as balance in your account, and now to transfer the balance into a bank account, once the sale settles, which is usually 2 business days, go over to your account page by tapping the account icon on the navigation bar at the bottom right corner of your screen and go over to the Transfers menu. Inside of the Transfers menu, scroll down until you find the Linked Accounts option. Make sure that the bank account that you would like to cash out to is linked in there. If you don't see it, tap the option to add an account and follow the instructions on screen. You will be able to link a bank account using either the bank account credentials or a debit card, and as long as you link the bank account, you will be able to initiate this transfer by including the amount and choosing the external account that you would like to transfer the money into. I hope I was able to help you on how to cash out crypto on Robinhood. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.